What is aquaponics? Aquaponics is... Watch. Holy catfish! It's the aquaponics lady! First and foremost, aquaponics is an ecosystem, okay? It is a man-made ecosystem where we have fish, and the fish are providing fertilizer for our veggies. We have nitrifying bacteria that converts that fertilizer into usable fertilizer that the veggies can use. The veggies filter the water, clean the water for the fish. Nice cycle happening here. It is an ecosystem where all parts are working together in a harmonious way. It is a living system. We just put it into a man-made structure. But within that man-made structure, we have a small, natural little ecosystem. How amazing is that? Aquaponics is an ecosystem, simply put, in a man-made structure. How incredible! We can have this in small spaces, we can have this in big places, we can have this off the grid, we can have this inside in our lounge room, we can have this in the kitchen bench even on a small scale. There are so many different types of aquaponic systems. It's up to you to choose what's going to work best for you in your situation. But remember, aquaponics is an ecosystem. Yeah? Fish, nitrogen bacteria, veggies, all working together. And we need to make sure that we have the design. So all the parts that I've got here, we need to have all of those different parts together to make that ecosystem work. Okay, we can't just put the plants on top of the fish in the water and it's not going to do it. We need to make sure we've got enough of everything. Okay, so let's check it out and let's see on some of the other playlists in more detail what aquaponics is and how it actually works and what you need. It's not as hard as you think, I guarantee you.